how to track UPS Parcel United Postal Services. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can track your parcel. So it was very easy. It works on iPhone, Android, and Windows. The process was same. So for that, we will simply go to our browser. So I am using Google Chrome. You guys can use any browser. Here I will search for UPS Tracker. So I will simply search for UPS Tracker. Once you search for it, you guys will see tracking UPS United States. So which depend on your country, which country you are living. So simply I will click on tracking UPS United States. Once you click here, you need to wait for some second. After waiting for some second, you guys can see track. Enter up to 25. Tracking numbers 1 per line. So here you will simply paste your tracking number. And once you paste, you simply click on track. So once you click on track, you will see status of your parcel. That's how you can track UPS parcels. Thanks for watching.